Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then my name is Priyanka and I make motivational videos for the women who wants to connect back to their divine self-worth, to their true self-worth, and want to live life from the softer side, from more receiving side, and want to come out of survival mode and receive with ease and flow because she is worthy of it. So if you are the one, then my channel is for you. So, what I want to talk about today, as I told in my last video, if you saw my video, which I curated on, our body image, you can go back and check the name. The name is, she works out, she diets, she does everything, but yet she doesn't feel enough. That's the thumbnail, and you can check it out, and you will actually get so much out of it because I've talked about body image, and how we do and how we start to do things, even the good things, from the place of emptiness, from the place of lack, from the place of I'm not good enough, from the place of that I need to be perfect. I need to have this body. I need to have that body. I have to have this type of skin. I have to have this type of this and that. And how all these things, most of the time, unconsciously, we are doing from the place of lack. So even though you are doing the right thing, you end up attracting the lack. Okay, the lackness from where you are doing the thing, you attract the same lackness into your reality, and then you end up thinking, that I am doing all these things because your feminine is more in a doing mode. Your feminine is doing and giving and giving and giving, and you are over giving and you are overdoing. Your feminine inside doesn't feel good enough, doesn't feel safe to receive, doesn't feel safe to just be, doesn't feel safe to have faith that she's enough. She's suppressed, and when you are doing from the place of lack, that's your wounded feminine and your wounded masculine. Okay, where your wounded masculine is trying to prove, okay, and your wounded masculine is keeping your feminine blocked to protect you, because he thinks, your wounded masculine thinks, that if you will start to receive, if you will open your heart, if you will trust, then you will be heartbroken again. So that's the energy that we all have. It doesn't have to do anything with the gender, or it is not gender specific, but women are mostly they have more feminine energy than men. uh, so yeah, you can go and check out that video, and you will learn a lot. Maybe you will get to know a lot of about your own patterns, that I'm doing all the right things because I'm a fitness coach right now, and I train so many women. And what I have come to know, that which is the reflection of my wounded feminine and wounded masculine also, which was projected by them onto me, that they work out, they diet, they do everything, but still they do not feel enough. They compete, okay, and they overdo it. They are doing everything from the place of lack, that I am not good enough. I have to be perfect. I just can't be. I'm not deserving of love the way I am. I cannot deserve love the way I am. I have to prove to someone, to the world, to people, that I am deserving of love because I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that. Deep down to the core, she's scared of receiving love. She's rejecting it because she feels that the feminine in women feels that if she opens herself up and she shows the world her true self, her divine self, her true authentic self, then she will be rejected, because somewhere she was rejected initially, in her initial days, for being herself, okay, for being authentic. So she started to you know uh, feel that I need to be someone else, I need to perform, I need to be like this, I'm not enough the way I am. Okay, So yeah, you can go and check out that video. You will get to know a lot. So what I wanted to talk about today, I wanted to talk about shame. That how shame is blocking us and not allowing us to rise into our own feminine energy, into our own feminine essence. How shame is stopping us from feeling all the emotions that we have suppressed inside from a very long time, and how it keeps us from receiving the love that we are deserving of. Okay, because I used to suppress a lot of shame. Ki why did I do that, why did I behave like that, why I took that action, why I chose that. Why I cannot share the whole story, but what I can share is, like if you are in some scenario and you just did something and chose something and allowed that thing to happen, because unconsciously you deeply crave that attention, that love, that admiration, that one thing that finally I am getting this. Your inner child is desperate and hungry for that one thing, and you did that, you chose that, but then your wounded protector, the wounded masculine, stepped in, and he's like, why did you do that, you are a bad person. And the societal conditioning is also there now, कि she's a shameful girl, she's this, she's that, she's like that, she's wearing this, she's wearing that, she talks to that person, she goes here and there, she's like this, she chose this. And all these things created shame in you, that I'm a bad woman, I'm a bad person, and I chose that. I'm a bad charactered woman. It's my fault. I'm not a good person. And then rather than allowing yourself to just feel that shame which is rising in you, you suppress that. Ki I don't want to feel that. Your protector is like, don't feel it, just ignore these voices. They all are mad. Superficially you tell yourself that all these people are mad, they are stupid, they don't know anything, I will do whatever I want to do. But deep down you suppressed the shame, you suppressed it, and you did not allow yourself to fully feel it. But what shifted in me this time, that whatever I'm feeling, okay, I'm somewhere sitting, and whatever is rising in me, even if that is the attraction towards the opposite gender, if even if that is the even if that is the attraction towards the opposite gender, okay, कि अच्छा वो ऐसा फील कर रहे हैं, वो ऐसा मुझे देख रहा है, अच्छा मुझे अभी ऐसा फील हो रहा है, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे बुरा नहीं लग रहा है, मैं इसे सप्रेस नहीं करूँगी, मैं इस पर एक्ट नहीं करूँगी, लेकिन मैं इसे सप्रेस भी नहीं करूँगी. ठीक है, मुझे इस पर एक्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मुझे कुछ फैंटेसाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट राइट नाउ जो मुझे फील हो रहा है मैं उसे सप्रेस नहीं करूँगी, जस्ट बिकॉज कि my conditioning is like, if male is looking at me, admiring me, looking at me in whichever way, then I am a bad person. My character is bad. I should not allow male to desire me or look at me in whatever way he is looking at. Okay, I will not stop myself from any of these things. I will just allow all the emotions which are rising in me, and I will just be with my emotions. So the emotions rose. Emotions, I felt all the emotions, and after that, what I realized, that my attraction and the pull that I was having towards that person, the opposite gender, थोड़ा सा वो कम हो गया. मुझे उतना पुल फील नहीं हो रहा था जितना मुझे उस इमोशन को और शेम को सप्रेस करने पे होता. कि कि मैंने क्यों फ़ील किया, मुझे फ़ील नहीं करना चाहिए था, मेरा कैरेक्टर गलत है अगर मैं ऐसा फ़ील कर रही हूँ, मैं अच्छी लड़की नहीं हूँ, मेरा कैरेक्टर अच्छा नहीं है, मैंने इन सब चीज़ों से हट के अपने इनर चाइल्ड को अब मेरा जो इनर प्रोटेक्टर है उसको मैंने ये बोला कि डू नॉट scold her for feeling anything. She's not gonna be hurt for feeling anything. Now I am here. I understand that you are trying to protect her, okay? But right now she needs my love, my presence, okay? And I'm not disrespecting you. I understand why you are like this. But now I want you to protect her softness. Do not guard her softness, not softness. Do not guard her heart like that. Do not stop her from feeling whatever she's feeling. She needs me right now. So my inner protector, he just थोड़ा सा वो शांत हुआ उसके बाद. So what I am talking about right now is a part work. Okay, your fragmented self, you have two parts inside you. In that case, my fragmented, overprotected, wounded masculine surfaced, who always used to, uh, you know, uh, he used to tell me that don't feel anything. Feeling is not good. Don't feel anything. I will protect you. It's their fault. And I used to suppress my feelings and emotion, and I used to go into the self blaming and used to feel bad, and I used to suppress the shame and the guilt as if the shame is the very bad thing. Okay, say shame is the frequency which is stopping us from healing because we don't allow ourselves to feel it fully. कि हम इसे फील कर लेते हैं एंड देन इसे रिलीज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जैसे ही शेम हमें फील होता है ना, हम क्या करते हैं कि हम उसे फील ही नहीं करते, हम उसे सप्रेस कर देते हैं बिकॉज हमें शेम फील करने में शेम फील होता है कि oh my god, I did this, I'm such a horrible person, I'm such a bad person, I did that, I did this, I will not face my truth, I will ignore my truth, I will push my truth, I will push it away, I will not see it. It's so dark, it's so dirty, it's so bad. I cannot see that ugly part of mine, I cannot see that bad part of mine, I cannot face my own darkness, I cannot face my own truth. So, because of all these things, we reject that. We stop ourselves from feeling that and healing that part. And we keep on repeating the same pattern again and again and again, and same loop में ही रहते हैं जब क्योंकि हम उसे देखना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. So, anyways, what happened? I allowed myself to feel, and my inner protector, he softened a bit. And my inner child, the feminine, I saw her in a small 3 to 5 years old के age में मैंने देखा. And she was so happy that for the first time I allowed her to feel. And then all the clarity started to come later. कि okay, my this part felt that this part never received this masculine presence in my life. This type of masculine presence, my feminine never received. That she is seen, somebody is noticing her, somebody is looking at her, somebody is showing the affection towards her, somebody wants to know her, so somebody is noticing her. She never felt that. That's why she was feeling the pull. It has nothing to do with love or any me wanting the closeness with him, but that part felt seen. जिस पार्ट ने कभी भी वो चीज़ रिसीव नहीं किया था, that part was crying and yearning for that love which she finally received. And this time, rather than suppressing that emotion and that part again back, I allowed myself to feel it, to receive it, rather than shaming myself that मेरा character गंदा है, मैं अच्छी women नहीं हूँ, मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए. Rather than अपने inner protector की सुनने की बजाय मैंने अपने part को उसको feel करने दिया. कि just feel it, don't suppress it. That's why I got to know the truth. And ट्रस्ट मी राइट नाउ मुझे कोई भी शेम फील नहीं हो रहा है. इवन दो आई फेल्ट द अट्रैक्शन, आई फेल्ट द पुल, I felt good, I wanted more, but I didn't wanted any closeness. I was just enjoying the superficial attention. But then पहले वाली प्रियंका होती ना तो मैं बहुत ही शेम और गिल्ट मोड में चली जाती और मैं खुद को क्लोज कर देती उस इमोशन को फील करने से. और बस मुझे शेम और गिल्ट फील होता कि यार मैं कितनी बुरी हूँ, मैंने क्यों ऐसा किया, मेरा कैरेक्टर कितना बुरा है, मुझे सिर्फ अटेंशन चाहिए उसकी. और यू नो दिस इज़ सो मैनिपुलेटिव, आई एम सच अ बैड वुमेन. इस बार मैंने अपने इनर प्रोटेक्टर को ये सब बोलने नहीं दिया. टू अगेन क्लोज माई हार्ट, टू प्रोटेक्ट माई हार्ट, कि अगर मैंने थोड़ा सा भी अपने हार्ट को ओपन किया तो मुझे हर्ट हो जाएगा फिर से. दैट पर्सन कैन हर्ट मी बिकॉज ऑफ माई पैटर्न ऑफ गिविंग सो मच पावर टू अदर पीपल. दिस टाइम मैंने अपने इनर प्रोटेक्टर से बात किया, उसको काम डाउन किया एंड अपने फेमिनिन सॉफ्टनेस को जिसने कभी वो चीज़ रिसीव नहीं किया उसको अलाउ किया कि यू कैन फील इट. आई बिकेम द मदर टू हर कि यू कैन फील इट. आई विल नॉट शेम यू, आई विल नॉट निगलेक्ट यू, आई विल नॉट पनिश यू. यू आर नॉट अ बैड पर्सन फॉर रिसीविंग दैट. You are deserving of receiving that. Now I will give you that. I see you. You are deserving of being admired. You felt that pull and now you are feeling shame because you never received that. That part of you was yearning for that. That finally somebody sees me. Finally the masculine, the male sees me. And you just wanted to be seen. There is nothing wrong. Don't shame yourself. And trust me, the moment I allowed myself to feel this deeper shame of feeling this, कि अगर मैंने खुद को अलाउ किया ये फील करने से, कि अगर मैंने खुद को ये पुल पूरी तरीके से फील करने पे अलाउ किया, then I am not a good woman. आपको ये पुल किसी की भी तरफ फील हो रहा है, ट्रस्ट मी, आपको उस इंसान की तरफ पुल फील नहीं हो रहा है. वो जो आपको उस मोमेंट पे उसकी एनर्जी जो दे रही है ना, आपको वो अच्छा लग रहा है. मे बी द प्रेजेंस, मे बी द अटेंशन, अफेक्शन, ही इज नोटिसिंग यू, ही इज बीइंग प्रेजेंट, ही इज क्यूरियस. तो यू लाइक ऑल दोज थिंग्स. एंड व्हेन यू स्टॉप एंड ब्लॉक योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम फीलिंग ऑल द शेम एंड गिल्ट, you stop yourself from healing the part of you which never received that love, that emotion, that presence. So rather than suppressing your emotions and feeling, because society में हर चीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा shame और guilt घुसा दिया है, and अगर आप कुछ भी करते हो और आप कुछ भी अगर आप कैसे भी हो तो उसमें बहुत सारे जजमेंट्स हैं कि वो ऐसी क्यों है, वो ऐसी क्यों है, उसने ये क्यों पहना है, उसने ये क्यों किया है, वो ऐसे क्यों कर रही है. रादर देन रिफ्लेक्टिंग बैक टू आवरसेल्व्स दैट क्या ये मुझ में भी है. अगर मुझ में भी है तो रादर देन जजिंग दैट पार्ट हु इज़ डूइंग दैट, व्हाई डोंट वी टॉक टू दैट पार्ट कि where you felt that you are not deserving of receiving that. Where did you start to perform like that? Where did you start to be like that? Why you feel that you are not deserving of love the way you are? Why you are yearning so much? So yeah, I shared this story with you to make you all guys feel comfortable. If this story can help to allow yourself to feel the shame and guilt which you never allowed yourself to feel, because you are not gonna die. Okay, and don't judge yourself for doing something जो आपने past में किया. If right now you are taking the responsibility, okay, to choose differently, to correct that, ये आपकी बहुत बड़ी strength होती है अगर आप ये चूज़ करते हैं. और अपने शेम और गिल्ट को एक्सेप्ट करना, फील करना एंड उसमें करेक्शन लाना, सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ यही होती है. और अगर आप किसी भी वजह से अपने किसी भी एक्शन को जज करके उसको फुली फील नहीं कर रहे हो, किसी भी तरीके का एक्शन को आप खुद को जज करके कि आपने वो एक्शन क्यों लिया, आपने वो एक्ट क्यों किया, आपने ऐसा क्यों होने दिया, आपने वो क्यों किया, तो आप अपने उस पार्ट को हील होने से रोक रहे हैं, आप अपने उस पार्ट को जज कर रहे हैं। एंड उसकी वजह से उस टाइप के जितने भी लोग आपकी रियलिटी में आएंगे ना, आप उन सब को जज करोगे, बिकॉज यू आर जजिंग दैट पार्ट विद इन योर सेल्फ एज वेल। एंड वही पार्ट जब आपके सामने खड़ा है आके, तो आप उसको भी पुश बैक करोगे, बिकॉज सबकॉन्शियसली यू आर नॉट रेडी to fully feel that part. You feel ashamed that what will happen if I will allow myself to feel it. Will I be a bad person? Will I be a bad woman? Will I be accepted? Will I be loved? Will I be deserving of receiving love? How will people see me? Because आप खुद को ही नहीं उस लव के साथ देख पा रहे हो, उस कंपैशन के साथ देख पा रहे हो, आप उस पार्ट को खुद जज कर रहे हो। तो आपकी रियलिटी में जो लोग आएंगे वो आपको भी जज करेंगे और आप भी उनको जज करोगे। एंड टू अवेकन योर इनर फेमिनिन, शी इज नॉट स्कैर्ड फ्रॉम फीलिंग और कन्फ्रंटिंग एनीथिंग. She is not scared from feeling any shame, any guilt, or whatever she did wrong. Okay? She wants to feel all the emotions, सारे range के emotions वो feel करना चाहती है. Okay? When you allow yourself to just feel rather than trying to fix yourself, कि मैंने ये क्यों किया, मैं इसको फिक्स करती हूँ, अभी मैं इसके बारे में रिसर्च करूँगी. The moment you will just allow yourself to feel and crumble down with all your emotions and cry and do whatever, okay, that is the moment your feminine will feel safe to show her true self to you. Everything that she was hiding, because she felt, your inner feminine, that you will scold her, you will reject her, you will punish her, you will talk to her badly, okay, you will judge her, you will not see her. But the moment you will allow this, she will feel seen by you, and your inner protector will soften. You have to soften your inner protector who's just trying to guard your heart, because हिंदी में अगर बोलेंगे कि अगर आपका दिल इतनी बार टूटा है तो फिर आप अपना इनर प्रोटेक्टर अंदर से बिल्ड करते हो कि अब मैं किसी को अपना दिल नहीं तोड़ने दूंगी. और कभी कभी आपका इनर प्रोटेक्टर आपको ऐसे गार्ड करता है कि वो किसी भी सेफ लव को भी रिसीव नहीं करने देता है. ओके? एंड आपको कुछ इमोशंस भी फील नहीं करने देता है, बिकॉज उसे आपको सर्वाइव करवाना है. उसको लगता है कि अगर इसने ये इमोशन फील किया देन इट इज़ नॉट सेफ फॉर हर. तो योर इनर प्रोटेक्टर विल ट्राई टू डू एवरीथिंग टू प्रिवेंट यू फ्रॉम फीलिंग दैट. So the moment you will soften your inner protector, and it will soften the moment you will allow yourself to see your inner feminine in her raw form, with all her flaws and goodness and everything that you did. Do not allow shame, the frequency of shame and guilt. Do not allow the frequency of shame and guilt from healing you. Okay, just do not allow the frequency of shame and guilt from healing you. Society is putting this shame and guilt onto us 24/7 because they are not able to face their own darkness, their own shame. So they push it, they reflect it back, okay, and they project it onto the other person. The moment you will stop judging yourself for your actions कि मैंने ये क्यों किया, मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था, and you will allow yourself to just be, okay, मैंने ये कर दिया, मुझे ये फील हो रहा है राइट नाउ, मुझे इसके लिए ये फील हो रहा है राइट नाउ, मुझे ये चीज़ भले ही सोसाइटी के नज़र में वो चीज़ बहुत ही बेकार है, मुझे ये फील हो रहा है, इस पर्सन के लिए मुझे ये फील हो रहा है, ये इस चीज़ में मेरे इस एक्शन पे मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है. You will replace your inner judgment, your inner critic, with the softness that I don't judge my actions, but I learn and grow from my actions. I don't judge myself harshly. Okay, I allowed myself to make some mistake, and now I'm learning from it. I'll not be hard on myself. I did not know any better. Okay, don't judge yourself for feeling anything. Allow yourself to feel. You don't have to act. Impulsively हम उस पर act करने लगते हैं, वो गलत है. Allow yourself to just be with your emotion. जो भी आ रहा है, जिसके लिए भी आ रहा है, feel it. The moment you will allow it, the clarity will come. The part who never felt safe enough to come in front of you and tell all the pain and the grief and the suffering she have been suppressing will feel safe to finally cry it out. That emptiness, that grief, that longing. Okay? And you will feel light. You will feel relieved that I was actually not a bad person. I'm actually not a bad woman. My character is not that bad. It's just that there was a part in me who never felt seen, who never received that. So I was just getting pulled towards that. Because I never received that, so I was, looking for it from the outside. I was not giving this to myself. Because I was also not aware कि ऐसा भी कुछ है. And because I was not aware, that's why I was judging myself, that part. Because I was not aware that, okay, that was the emptiness, that was the root cause, that was the grief, that was the loss. I did not receive that. Now I look for it in the whole world. And when I receive it, I start to judge myself. Because now I'm not able to give that to myself. आप ना उसको फुली रिसीव कर रहे हो, ना आप उसको फुली पुश कर रहे हो. आप बस कभी कभी उस जजमेंट मोड में होते हैं. उस टाइम आपको अच्छा लगता है, बट आफ्टर दैट मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट टू जज योर सेल्फ कि आपने ऐसा क्यों किया, आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. ओके, बट द मोमेंट यू विल अलाउ योर सेल्फ टू फील, आपका जजमेंट जो है ना खुद को लेके वो चला जाएगा. You will have more compassion towards yourself, and judgment compassion से replace हो जाएगा कि यार I don't want to be that hard towards that part of myself. She never received it, and I want her to receive it. In that moment, I will allow her to receive it, but after that, I will give this to myself. I don't want to judge her for this. That's how you heal your inner feminine, and that's how you become the protector, the healthy masculine for your inner feminine. Because now you are guarding her heart, you are guarding her in a softer way. You are not blocking her, stopping her from feeling anything. That don't feel it. Okay. And yeah, I just wanted to share this experience with you all, because the shame and guilt stopped me from healing. I always saw my actions, I always judged myself on the basis of my action, that why I did that, why I allowed that, I'm a bad character woman, I did this, I did that. I never allowed myself to be seen in a raw form. I never allowed the parts in me which never received the love to be fully seen, to fully see her pain, to fully see her grief, to fully see her struggles, to fully see her emptiness, to fully just be there for her and hold her that I understand you. Your actions doesn't define you, and I'm not gonna judge you. I'll be the masculine for you who will not shake when you will crumble down. I will be the masculine for you who will not judge you, who will be present with you. I will be the masculine for you who will not run away when you are feeling deeply. I am here for you, and I am not gonna leave you till then you feel better, you feel good. I'm not gonna put anybody above you till then you feel grounded. That's how you heal your inner wounded masculine and inner protector who is in a wounded form, not allowing you to feel anything. And that's how you heal your inner feminine who was scared to come up and talk to your inner protector because she never felt safe to express her emotions. She felt that the moment she will express, she will be rejected, shame, and you will make her feel guilty. I hope that this video helped you all in any way and touched a deeper layer in you. And I hope that it invoked the healing in you because it really helped me. And on this note, I will rest my video here and I will meet you all, guys. Guys. And I will see you all, my lovely women, in my next video. Bye. I love you all. Happy healing.